welcome to Clipsa. In this video, we'll be going to another writing practice topic. Before the video comes, um, please subscribe to this channel and like the video. Okay, so now let's see the sample topic. The topic is write an information report on your favorite website. So now let's see the sample essay to have a idea of how to write if you get this topic in any exam or like they're saying in school. So you first have to start with attractive title. So the title I wrote is The Enigmatic Enchantress, Unveiling the Mysteries of the Inland Taipan. In the heart of the Australian outback, a mythical creature lurks, shrouded in mystery and awe, known as the enigmatic enchantress, the Inland Taipan. So if you know the scientific name, you can write it. If you don't know, you don't have to. Let's continue. Stands as a living enigma, captivating the hearts of those who dare to learn about its hidden world. Journey with us through this unprecedented exploration as we reveal the secrets of this alluring serpent. Behold the captivating sight of the Inland Taipan. Its lithe body dances with elegance, adorned in a mesmerizing blend of colors that seem to shift with every movement. The scales, like shimmering jewels, reveal a kaleidoscope of hues that embrace the rich tapestry of the Australian wilderness. Glistening olive and subtle earthy tones come together, harmonizing with the cream-colored underbelly like a celestial symphony of colors. The enigmatic enchantress resides in the ethereal realm of the semi-arid and arid regions of eastern Australia, where the veil between reality and dreams grows thin. These elusive serpents can be found weaving through the whispers of the Simpson Desert, drifting like phantoms in remote corners of Queensland, New South Wales, South Australia, and the Northern Territory. Their dwelling places exude a sense of magic and intrigue, far from the bustling world of humans. The Inland Taipan's ways are a dance of enchantment and elusiveness. She glides through its sandy domain with ethereal grace, leaving no trace of its passage. Rarely encountered by the mortal eye, she chooses to blend with the dreamscape rather than engage with reality. Its movements, guided by unseen forces, instill a sense of wonder and mysticism among those fortunate enough to witness its presence. Beware the venom of the enigmatic enchantress, for it holds a gift of otherworldly potency. When its delicate fangs delicately pierce the veil of flesh, a potent neurotoxin courses through the veins of its prey, lulling them into a trance-like state. This hypnotic venom, a nectar of the divine, ensures its sustenance without the need of ferocity, for it weaves its magic through the unseen threads of the universe. Its diet is a ritualistic dance of life and death. The enigmatic enchantress feeds on the energies of small mammals such as rats and mice in an act of symbiotic balance with nature. In its graceful embrace, the prey succumbs to its venom's enchantment, becoming one with the cosmic flow of existence. This primal act of nourishment embodies the delicate balance that governs the circle of life. As guardians of the mystical realm, we are entrusted with preserving the ethereal presence of the Inland Taipan. Alas, the enigmatic enchantress is shrouded in vulnerability, threatened by the incursion of human ambitions. To protect its realm, we must embrace the mystic and strive to harmonize with nature's delicate rhythms. Only through understanding and reverence can we secure the survival of this majestic guardian of the outback. The Inland Taipan, the enigmatic enchantress of the Australian outback, is an embodiment of magic, wonder, and vulnerability. Its existence is a testament to the secrets of our world holds, and its presence a reminder of the importance of embracing nature's mysteries. As we part from this enchanted journey, let us safeguard its realm and keep its wonders a treasure shared only among those who believe in the whispers of the untamed wilderness. May the enigmatic enchantress forever dance to this dreamscape of our collective imagination, a guardian of secrets cherished and never revealed. So this is a sample essay for for this topic. So I hope you got a rough idea of how to do this topic. And please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Bye.